This training video is being brought to you by learningcomputer.com. Today we are going to be looking at Microsoft PowerPoint 2013, basically trying to cover a few new features. So let's look at the subject matter. Well, what's new in the new edition of PowerPoint? Well, quite a few things, okay? You now have the ability to insert media like online pictures, YouTube videos, and audio files straight into your PowerPoint. We actually have a video on this on our YouTube channel, so definitely check that out. There are quite a few things regarding basically multimedia animation and whatnot. So some of the other important points are that you can now basically convert your PowerPoint to a video. How cool is that? You basically make a PowerPoint, you can even insert some audio in it, and essentially you create a video that you can pass on to other people, that they can watch the PowerPoint. They don't have to have PowerPoint. They can simply watch the video even essentially on their smartphones and whatnot. And we'll look at all of these points in detail. I'm just gonna doing an overview. You also have the ability to share really PowerPoint presentations online. So this is another exciting feature that you can basically be in collaboration with non-office users. This is going to be sort of like a real-time thing where they can they can watch as you are giving the live presentation. Okay, very cool feature. We are also going to take a stab at the presenter view, although really that does require two monitors here. We really obviously are working with one because this is how we're making the video, but we'll cover the basics to give you a good idea. And then specifically for pictures and images, there's quite a few new things, but we are going to show you how to remove background from an image or photo. This is obviously quite easy to do in Adobe Photoshop, but in this release you have the ability to do that. And I believe this was also in 2010, but they have enhanced it a little bit. And then you can also manage colors with the eyedropper feature for a picture. So quite a few things we're going to look at. Let's put this to work and let's see what MS PowerPoint 2013 has in action. So the first demo, this is going to be a demo heavy video where we can actually show you the stuff. So not a whole lot of talking, and then I will just kind of guide you through some of these things. But for starters, we are going to convert, we have a SQL Server 2012 presentation. We would like to convert it to video. We will choose the WMV format, which is the Windows Media Player video basically. And in order to do this, you really, once you have your PowerPoint up and running, you just go to File, Export, and then create a video. So those are the steps, and I will show you in a minute. And then also we're going to share the same presentation online with I guess they don't have to be non-office users, but I'm just trying to make a point. They could obviously be an office users. You're just really sharing the presentation at the same time. So this would be like, let's say maybe you're doing some kind of webinar or virtual meeting that you could share with other people. And then for this one, you're really going to go to File, Share, and then Present online. Okay, so let me take dig deeper into this. I guess let's just we are going to leave this up and running. I'm going to switch to my this is really, I guess I have a SQL Server, which by the way is a product for Microsoft. We do have a lot of tutorials on this if you are interested in learning more about databases and whatnot. But anyway, so I have this this demo on SQL Server, right? I'm covering some points in here. We talk about relationship, database management, primary key, foreign key, some of these other things. Okay, so it looks like we have about 8 slides or so. How do we convert this to video? Okay, so like I said, you basically, obviously you want to make sure you've saved your presentation, and then you're going to go to File, okay, and then you're going to get this new look and feel from 2013. It looks a little bit different. And then you are going to go to Export, okay, and then create a video right here. Okay, So let's select that. Now it is going to give you a few options. Well, it's asking me, what are you trying to make the video for? Well, I would like to, when you click on the drop down, it gives you some options. I would really like this for a internet slash DVD, really uploading for web. And you can see it gives you the format. So this is going to be 640 by 480 pixels. I'm going to select that. Okay, it also tells you, how much time do you want to spend in between slide. Okay, that's fine. I can live with that. Okay, now one thing before I do that, in fact I do want to apologize. I do want to show you something in here, that here on this particular slide, okay, I actually have a message in here, or recorded message. Let me just play this real quick. An example of a one-to-many relationship would be customers and orders in a database. So for the table, for the records in the customer table, you can have one-to-many. Or anyway, and I can show you how to do this. In fact, real quickly, all you do is you do insert, go to media, okay, audio, and then you record audio. Okay, so insert, tab, media, audio, record audio. And why would you want to do that? Well, I mean, remember the video you make is going to be just basically rolling through these slides. Okay, if you are trying to do some kind of narration and additional I guess voice information, you would want to do that. So just keep that in mind when we run the video. When we get to this one-to-many relationship slide, this video or this audio should really kick in at that time. So let's go to back to file. So just if you were watching, I just clicked on file, export, create a video, and I will select internet and DVD, and then create video. Okay, now it's asking you for an option here. Would you like to make an MPEG? This is typically used on the web. I'm actually going to make a Windows Media Movie. Okay, and then I'm going to click save, right? And this is going to take a few minutes. I'm actually going to go ahead and pause this, but I will be right back. So as you can see down here, it says creating video, and looks like it just my timing was impeccable. Usually it's not that great, but now if you see, if you go to your folder location right here, okay, so today is February 12, 10 p.m. I have nothing better to do on a Tuesday night, but anyway, our video has been created. Okay, now let's go ahead and double click on it and see what happens. Check it out. See, now this just fired off Windows Media Player. It is going to switch every 5 seconds. Okay, I think this is very cool. 5 seconds seems to be a little bit faster. An example of a one-to-many relationship would be customers and orders in a database. So for the table, for the records in the customer table, you can have one-to-many orders. So this is the message that I was talking about. So very cool. I mean, this is obviously the first thing I wanted to show you is how easy it is to create a video. And like I said, it's it's switching slides a little bit faster. You would have to be a speed reader. Maybe when you're making video, just maybe give it a little bit more time. So that was basically the first feature I wanted to show you. So remember, file, export, create a video. Moving on, let's take a look at this next one, which is pretty cool. I lost my place, but basically this is how to present online. Well, how do you do that? Let's go back to our PowerPoint on SQL Server. Okay, I would really like to present this online. I mean, making a video is great, but how cool would it be if I can really demo this live? Okay, so again, you go back to file. Now this time I'm going to select share, and I'm going to select present online, right? And it talks a little bit about it. No setup is required. You do need to have a live.com account, which is some similar to obviously hotmail.com. But basically, so now I'm going to just click present online, okay, and it goes through a little bit of information. There's another option. I'm going to leave that as is. I'm just simply going to click connect, okay, and you have to be logged into your live.com account, and I can show you how to do that, okay. But look at this, it actually went ahead and created this link. So I'm going to copy this link, okay. In fact, I'm going to go ahead and put this in Notepad before it goes away, okay. So let's just hold on to that for a minute, and you say you can just say let's see, start presentation. Not yet. Let's not do it yet. I'm actually going to go. Let's see. See, this is a part. So at least we are up and running. I'm actually going to send a quick email to another account. Let's just say. So let me do this. I'm going to go to one of my email accounts here, and I'm going to send a note to one of my other accounts. Basically what I'm trying to do is, I mean, you could send this obviously to somebody, right? But let's just do this. I'm actually going to just simply copy that link, which you can see, okay. I just simply copied that. I don't really need to email it, but you get the idea, okay. I'm going to hit enter and see what happens here, okay. So look at this. Now, this could be a potential target audience, or part of your teammate, or some collaboration that you're trying to do across the pond, or you're in America and your friends are sitting in India or Pakistan, and this would be very beneficial, okay. So now it says waiting for presentation to begin. All right, that's cool. I'm going to go back to my PowerPoint right here, okay, and I'm going to say, now I have confirmation that people are already online. Let's just go ahead and start presenting it, okay. And while I'm doing this, let's go on to the next slide, okay. Now let me switch to the internet, okay. Which one is it? Right here, okay. Look at this, it's on the same screen. Let's cover some key terms, okay. Now I don't know if I can make this a little bit smaller. Okay, there you go. Maybe I'll try that, okay. I don't know. I don't think it's going to work. But anyway, let's go on to the next one. Okay. Now I'm talking about database relationships. Now I'm going to go to one-on-one relationships, and look at this. Okay. You can see that as